Durham is definitely my home. I want to have financial power to buy a piece of real estate. My goal is to have my first piece of real estate by the time I'm 21, graduating in physical therapy school. Growing up not too far, maybe a couple blocks down here in East Durham, with all the new developments being built and things like that, with me buying the real estate, I definitely could see myself rebuilding the community, making it affordable for my community and for the people that have been in the community already.
So now we have college to think about. Now we have to make sure that we add a special budget line in our budgets because you have to pay for room and board, tuition.
I'm going to graduate with 59 credits because I don't want any student loans for as long as possible.
Share at your table, what concerns do you have? I might share at this stage, I was really concerned about financing my education.
Student U has been a great resource with helping me get to the college stage. If I ever have a question about college, I know I have some friendly people that come and help me. The first 3 years of high school, I was just all about schoolwork and being focused. But I know I want to be successful, and I know that these steps are definitely going to help me get there. This is a large amount of money for this scholarship. For this past month, I've been in this grind phase, applying to colleges, applying to scholarships. My brain is moving 1,000 miles a minute. But when I do need help, that's where Student U steps in and helps me.
I've seen my mother and my grandfather struggle and stress about making ends meet. Can you think of a time that happened? Put us in the scene.
What I saw was her barely visible because of the few rays of sunshine.
Come on, Edgar Allan Poe.
Seeping through the window. Student U has opened my eyes to see the world. Started in the high school program with just going to visit colleges and see how big the world is and how different it can be.
Listen up. When I say go, you're gonna actually talk with your school.
5th grade summer, Student U started. Leaving elementary school and you changing schools for the first time could be it's like, oh man, it gives you some anxiety. Coming to Student U that summer, being with those friends for 5 days a week, for 6 weeks, I think that's where my first skills were introduced about meeting new people and building friendships and different relationships.
Like you have the opportunity to be OSHA certified, which is...
I think that has served me throughout my life. Being my senior year, I definitely would tell myself to try to take a step back to meet more people, have more fun experiences.